Guys, the lake pond thing is like overflowing. See that? See that? Look at that. That is like the pond lake thing. Whoa! The thing's overflowing like crazy. Look at the water. Oh wow. This is like the one time a flash flood is actually not kidding. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the gutter is like spitting up, but like it's also going down, so it's creating like this whirlpool-y thing. Okay, come on, focus past. Yes! You saw it for a little. Focus. 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 This would be a cool little picture. Stop there, and then maybe if we zoom in. See if we can get these. There's so many raindrops I can't. Oh yes, there we are. It's pushing it out behind the leaves. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's crazy. And like, look down at the water. It's like the currents are mixing up. Create a whirlpool. Huh. Dang, it's like the ocean down there, but like miniature size. You know, I want to go stand right there in the middle of that and see what it feels like. That's way too dumb. I'm not that dumb. It's crazy. Look at that. At least I think I'm not that dumb. Sorry if they're... Go out. You saw it a lot. Look at that. That'll be it. That's like this is like the first video. Basically the first video of this channel, but oh my gosh. It's crazy. See you next time, guys. We'll see you next time if I don't drown. My God. Alright, see ya.